Alright, so today I got this 3-pack. It's The Mandalorian, Ahsoka, and Grogu. Technically it's a 2-pack because, I mean, I don't know if you could count Grogu as one whole figure, but, you know, whatever. There it is. There's the front, the side mural, the back along with the warning stuff, all the warning mumbo jumbo. And then this side has a picture of everything that is included inside the box. I think the only thing that we haven't gotten with this set with the Mandalorian and Ahsoka is Mando comes with the spear and Ahsoka comes with like the soft goods poncho. Other than that, we've already gotten all of this stuff. Yeah. Most of this stuff is just going to be repaints, reuses, stuff like that. There's Grogu. The paint apps look a little better. Like you can actually see the hair on his head there. You can kind of see like a little blush on his cheeks. But this one is more of a sitting position Grogu. So yeah, technically this is a new sculpt. There's everything. Making sure we're not missing anything else. So there's Ahsoka's 2 lightsabers, Din's Ambin phase rifle, and his pistol, and it also comes with the spear. But it looks good. The likeness to Rosario Dawson is there. Definitely looks like her. We'll pose her in just a bit. This guy we've seen before 100 times already, it feels like. Absolutely nothing new with this sculpt. Same mold, same armor look for the most part. He doesn't come with the jetpack, but I mean, if you have all the rest of the other ones, you don't really need it. This is kind of new though. I don't remember seeing that on any of the old ones. I don't even know how this is supposed to hook on here. Oh, you know what? That's for the spear. I thought that was for the rifle. So that's supposed to go on there like that. That's pretty cool. I wonder if you could remove that to put the Ambin rifle in. Maybe? I don't know. But that looks cool. I like it. Too bad that he gets rid of his spear. So yeah, next I'm just gonna pose him up, put them on the rotating platform and put them in some cool poses. Here's another shot with just Ahsoka and Grogu. Do a couple more. Alright, so if you're barely getting into the Black Series and you missed out on the first releases of Din Djarin and Ahsoka, this 2-pack is good for you because Din comes with the Beskar Spear and Ahsoka comes with her soft goods poncho. Also Grogu, can't forget about Grogu, it's a whole new sculpt. He's sitting down in this one, and you know, there's not too much articulation with this guy, but I mean, you can't really expect too much when it's a figure this small. All in all, it's a good, really good set. This is the first product that I've gotten with the windowless packaging. So the Black Series is in a really odd state right now for me. Just because I'm a sealed collector, so having that window there to show off the figure is huge for me. So I'm not sure how I'm going to go about that moving forward, but yeah, I definitely recommend this for anybody that's just barely getting into the Black Series, just because it comes with two great, really iconic figures, good articulation on them, good paint apps. They're just really solid all around. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.